Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable and utilize the deep research feature for your threads and searches in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this, guys. So as you can see, I'm inside that Comet AI web browser with my Perplexity account logged in. And let me just start a new thread. So let me do that by clicking into this button in the top left corner, new thread. And after that, simply use that text field here, guys, like you would use, for instance, on any other chat assistant like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, etc., etc. Enter your prompt here. But before you press enter or click into this button, make sure that you enable the deep research feature, guys. You will find it here under deep research, here next to that search button. You may also go with the search option if you like, if you prefer fast answers for everyday questions. So as you can see, my prompt is pretty requires pretty detailed and insightful data, so I will probably need that deep research feature. So enable it, and now you can press enter to start the prompt, as you can see. And after that, you will see the timer counting down here, or how long it needs to find the proper information or data requested. And you will see also below a list of these thoughts, for example, each steps like the searching process, then the reviewing of the sources, and so on and so forth, guys. And based on that information, using the deep research feature, Perplexity AI / Comet AI will prepare a response or reply for you to your, or based on your requested or prompt request here. So give it a moment, guys. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, of course, it may take a moment. As you can see, 7 steps have been completed. You may expand these, for example, to get a better insight of what has been done during these steps. And as you can see, Perplexity has actually reviewed quite a lot of these sources, many from academic sources and study papers and research institutions and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. So that's it. Just wait for the prompt to be finished. It may take a moment, and after that you will see that there you go. You will see the result here, and based on that deep research and these sources, you will be given an extensive and detailed answer or reply like this, guys. You will see the status here, finished. Also, guys, don't forget to double check and to verify these information and data, because even though it sounds, or it is called a deep research, you know, the artificial intelligence may always make mistakes. It's totally normal. So make sure that you always double check all of that provided data and information and verify if it is really true and really 100% accurate or not. And if there are any mistakes, just give the artificial intelligence here on Perplexity AI the command to look up to correct that mistake and to look up the correct and accurate information. And that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.